I'm building an automated system. Well, basically, it's a system that can take calls, make outbound calls to clients, and respond in chats using AI. And I want to show the whole process, not just the result at the end, but the process itself, from the idea to the moment when it actually works. My name is Nikita. I've been working for many years with sales, call centers, and customer service, managing teams, processes, metrics, and yes, results as well. And over this time, honestly, I've clearly understood one thing. Customer communication is not magic at all. It's a system. And if it's a system, you can calmly break it down and automate it. In this project, I'm building a system that handles inbound calls, makes outbound calls to clients, responds in chats, works strictly by business scenarios, and is available 24/7. This is both service and sales. And yes, this is fundamentally important. I truly believe that automation should not just improve service, it should make money. Because if a system does not generate revenue and does not reduce costs, then, well, it's just a nice toy. We already live in a world of automation, and honestly, today you can already teach a system to speak and respond as well as a human. And if there is a lot of data, in some cases, even better. Why is that? Because it does not forget scripts, does not confuse facts, works only with a knowledge base, is always polite, always available, and does not burn out. From a quality perspective, this is basically an ideal employee, and from a sales perspective, an ideal salesperson. Because for humans, sales are stressful. For systems, it's just logic and predefined scenarios. Plus, there is a clear business effect. Lower personnel costs, fewer workplaces, less equipment, less office space, fewer licenses, and all of this is not theory. This is what is already happening right now. Now, briefly about the tools. I'll show where I'm starting this project. I'll say right away, as the work goes on, the stack may change. Some things will be added, some things will be removed, functionality will be expanded. That's normal. At start, I use N8N as the main automation brain, Railway for hosting and infrastructure, ChatGPT and AI Studio as the AI engine, voximplant for telephony, and messengers for chats. This is not a perfect or universal stack, it's simply my working choice at the start. I also want to say something about AI. For me, it's not just one chat. In this project, there will be several AI agents, each with its own role. One agent helps think through the architecture. Another helps with content and video. A third helps with promotion. Each has its own task, its own logic, and its own responsibility. And I will show this and break it down as the project goes on. In the next videos, I will step-by-step show system architecture, call integration, inbound and outbound scenarios, chats, AI logic, and of course, real mistakes and limitations. If you're interested in how systems like this are actually built, subscribe. From here on, it's only practical work.